How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting and equipment for vans, cars, buses, tricycles, bicycles, early vintage Broncos, and very beautiful 2023 Super Duties like what you're looking at right here. This one happens to be an F-350 Limited. Very, very sharp truck indeed. In black, 4-door, long bed, power stroke diesel, all the good stuff. What are you looking at in the front anyways? That's our auto flasher kit flashing the DRL lights on the headlight. That is also our auto flasher kit flashing the white mirror lights. That's our newest plug and play auto flasher mirror kit for those white mirror lights. And on the roof there, you have another auto flasher kit flashing the 5 roof lights. Below that, in the front bumper, we have our low dome HAW Duo. That comes as a pair. It's 2 lights, frequently used when you drill a hole and mount them inside of a tail light or such. But we can also drill a clean 1-inch hole and back mount that light, take advantage of a very small area like that inner fog bezel to get some lighting there. Now, the reason I did that in that front bumper is this truck is running on 2 switches, and it will be getting a snow plow. The snow plow usage will be without the headlights, I'm sure, most of the time because of the flashback that's going to happen. But those bumper amber lights are going to be very critical and very good with the snow plow. So that's why we added those. As you can see here, when you're nosing out in traffic or backing out in traffic, this rig's going to be covered. We've got the low dome HAW Duo back mounted in that front bumper bezel. We've also got a LIN 6 out back. That's a LIN-6 out back underneath the tail light. That gives you a full clear picture of exactly where the front and the back of this vehicle are. Midship, we have our thin X in amber in the badge right there. Same thing on both sides. Now you chose a split pattern fire for the LIN 6 and the thin X, and a rapid fire on the front HAW Duo. Here's another angle of the side profile. You can also see those white spotlight mirrors as well that give you some pretty good side warning right there. Alrighty, around the back, in addition to those LIN 6s that are firing side out of the taillight, we have our amber signal auto flasher kit. Now, these auto flasher kits some of them require a cut and some of them don't. The front headlight and the rear signal here are a wire swap kit. You do not need to cut any factory wires to do this. You just simply switch one of your factory wires in the plug. Very easy to do. And the cargo kit is flashing that upper cargo light as well as the small white light by the tailgate handle. That's all integral in one wire. You need to cut one wire in the harness to get that to happen, but that's with our auto flasher cargo kit. Alrighty. As I said, this is build 22833. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did building it. If you have a Super Duty and you'd like some parts of this build, the whole thing, or a few, go ahead and check it out on wickedwarnings.com, and you can get all of these parts right there. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, and brand new F-350 Limited Power Stroke Diesel Super Duties. My favorite truck right here. It's even the right color. I think I might end up with one of these for the next Wicked demo truck, especially a long bed. However, the 450 really has an appeal. If you've got a 450, drop a comment. Let me know how you liked it and how you made that decision to go up over the 350. And I'm definitely thinking dual wheel as well. Turning radius comes into play. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. 22833.